Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a little haul that I got from Sweet Bean Plans, and I ordered this I think last week, so it was pretty fast. And yes, I'm super excited about this order. It is my second time ordering from them, and I love the quality of their products, and I did buy some of their washi tapes, which I have not tried yet, so I'm excited to try these. And yes, I guess let's start with this. This is, they had like a little package, a little kit, and it was like a Harry Potter themed kit, which this is everything to me. I love this. So there's a little die cut sticker, I believe, and it says alas earwax. And then there's one like this. I think that's the first chapter, right? Some more little stickers. It's a Beanie Dukes kit, I think it's called. So some more of the sweets. Bookshelf. I love this so much. When in doubt, go to the library. I just love my library. I think we have 3 or 4 where I live, and it's really nice to just have that many libraries in our area. So that, and it also comes with a bookmark. When in doubt, go to the library, and it's on both sides, which is really nice. And then the kit is, I'd say, for a standard kit, so I'll probably use this in my B6 So these I do use a Sharpie on. I just find that it's just the easiest, less hassle. I don't have to worry about it smudging. So that is this little kit from Sweet Bean Plans. I mean, they're all from Sweet Bean Plans. And then to go along with it, it also came with, I think it was both of these Harry Potter themed washi. Oh, maybe this one too. It says Beanie Dukes on it, and it's pink. And then next up, the other stuff I ordered was, I think there's a couple kits in here. So let's see. First I ordered this. It also a sticker, I believe, with like the Sanrio characters. So that one, and then it also goes along with this kit, which is also, is this for a cousin? Yeah, I think this is for a cousin size. So I'm excited to use that in my cousin. And oh wait, I think this is, okay, so this is one kit, which is the Hello Bean. Love that. And then the other kit I got was Romance Reads, and this is also for the cousin. So I think this is new to their shop. I feel like last time I didn't see cousin products, but this is very exciting. And then the little freebie was a do not disturb card. So much time, so much to read, so little time. So I'm going to definitely hang that up on my wall. And the other part I ordered, also to go along with that, Romance Reads. I believe this is also Romance Reads washi tape, so just little books. And I thought that was very sweet. And then last but not least, I got some stickers. This is called DDL. I think it's just a vision board stickers. So I thought that was really cute. I don't really do a vision board. I mean, I kind of do in my business planner, but I mainly just wanted it for the planner stickers. And then this one as well with washi tape and pens. So I thought that was very sweet. And then to go with the Hello Kitty theme are these two. I don't think this came with the kit. I think these were separate, but I thought these were really nice, and I can use especially, I mean, if I'm going to use that kit, it'll go along really nicely with the kit. And this, I think, is part of the Romance Reads as well. Just the character reading, which, I mean, I love to read, so definitely going to use these a lot. And next up I have, it's a male one. This is BN992, but it's just like male mail, postage, packages. So I thought that was really nice. And last but not least is this one, BN88. It's just like the character on a laptop on a call, or I can use this for playing games. And yes, I really like these, so I'm excited. I think last time I didn't get any of like the character stickers like this, so it'll be nice to have those in my collection as well to add. And I'm just super excited about the other kits. I can't wait to use them. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I think I have a couple more things coming. It's just I don't know when they're gonna arrive. So yes, the summer planner hauls will be coming very shortly. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.